Alright you guys, today we'll check out how to make soft threshold here in After Effects. And as you know, the default threshold is just a black and white stencil, so we're gonna need to fix that, and let's take a look. So let's open up After Effects, click on New Composition. I'm gonna go with 1080p 30 frames per second and click OK. Drag and drop a video that you like, and I'm also gonna go and scale this down a little bit better. So after that, what we're gonna need to do is right click here, go to New, and select an adjustment layer, and here we're going to need to add the effects. I'm also going to rename it as effects. Okay, so let's go to the effects and presets and search for threshold. And here I'm going to work with the CC threshold because here we got like more options going on, and I'm going to drag and drop it on the effects layer. So as you can see here, we got the default settings. It is going to make it pure black and white in a stencil style, and here we can adjust the threshold, decrease and increase. I also can go to the channels and change it to RGB. So this way you can see like more information going on, but it probably won't create the results that you want. So I'm going to go back to luminance. Now in order to make this work, all you need to do is go to effects and presets, search for noise, and we're going to go with this noise, drag and drop above the CC threshold. And all you need to do is just increase the amount of noise, and it is going to add a really nice shading. So this way you get like more information on the image. I'm gonna drag a better video and drag it under the effects layer. Let's go to effects and presets, search for curves. Double click, and here you can customize the contrast to get some better results. You also can add some tint and make it duotone. I'm gonna switch this up to red. You also can search for posterized time. And here just decrease this. Maybe I'm gonna try it out with 12. And pretty much that's how the final result looks like. So pretty much that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.